okay, stick to your side. Oh my goodness, okay, you can have the whole thing. Oh! Oh my goodness, I'm starving. Come here. Okay, we gotta pray before we eat, okay? Yes. Paw. Good girl. Jesus, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for this wonderful food. May it nourish our bodies. Oh, amen. Okay, let's eat. Ugh, I forgot my utensils, so I'll be right back, okay? Can you wait? Don't eat it, okay? It's off limits. I'll be right back. Stay. Stay. Okay, we got the utensils. Did you take a bite? Oh, it looks good. It smells so good, huh? You're such a good girl. Do you want a piece? Do you want a piece? Piece? Yes. Okay, oh, this looks delicious. Oh. Oh. Okay. There you go. Good girl. Hey, hey, hey! Save me a piece! Okay, this one's yours, okay? 1 second. Let me cut it up. Can we sit? What? Come here, why are you sitting so far? Come here. You can wait, okay? Can you wait? Yes. Okay. Bon appetit. Okay, stick to your side. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can have the whole thing. Gee whiz. You're making a mess. Well, I guess I didn't need my fork and knife. You want to clean the table too? Those are my fingers. Oh, I can do. Okay, don't lick me with that. Ugh, ugh. I love you too. You're very welcome. No, I don't have any more. Okay. You already had your share. What else do you want? Yes. What else? Yes, good girl. Okay, say bye. Oh, over here. Say bye.